नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो. आजच्या या फर्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्हमध्ये आपण 10 एक्झाम्पल्स बघणार आहोत. 10 एक्झाम्पल्स. ओके, नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट. ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 2. Important concept and formulae. Tangents and normals. The derivative of a function f of x at a point x is equals to a is the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point a comma f of a. Let p x1 y1 be a given point on the curve y is equals to f of x. Then dy by dx at the point x1 y1 is the slope of the tangent to the curve at point p. The equation of the tangent at p is y minus y1 is equals to dy by dx at point x1 y1 म्हणजे हा स्लोप असणार आहे into in bracket x1 x minus x1. This is the equation of the tangent. The normal to the curve at the point p x1 y1 is a line perpendicular to tangent at p. Normally कशी असते तर tangentला perpendicular असते and passing through the point p. Therefore the slope of the normal at p is minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1, and the equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x2. Okay, this is the equation of the normal and this is the equation of the tangent. या दोन गोष्टी तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. कुठलाही फंक्शन दिला असेल तर त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा. त्या पॉइंटला आपल्याला जर समजा तिथे टँजंट असेल then you will get the slope of the tangent, and so this is called the gradient at that point. याला gradient देखील असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, now see this here, x-axis, y-axis. Y is equals to f of x, this is the curve, and at the point P, this is the tangent, and perpendicular to this tangent, this is the normal. Okay, now let us start the example. The equation of the normal to the curve x is equals to a times in bracket theta plus sin theta, y is equals to a in bracket 1 plus cos theta at theta is equals to pi by 2 is. Okay, now here x is equals to y is equals to parametric function ito dx upon d theta is equals to a as it is, derivative of theta is 1, derivative of sin theta is a cos theta, dy by d theta a is a constant, derivative of cos theta is a minus sin theta, derivative of 1 is 0, and hence dy by d theta is equals to minus a times sin theta. Therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. Substitute the value. या value substitute करणार minus a times sin theta upon a in bracket 1 plus cos theta. But what is a sin theta? Sin theta म्हणजे काय तर minus 2 times sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. हे minus sign इथे पुढे घेतलेलं आहे. And what about the 1 plus cos theta? That is a 2 cos square theta by 2. A get cancel, 2 get cancel. एक cos cancel होणार त्याच्यामध्ये sin of theta by 2 upon cos of theta by 2. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus tan of theta by 2. आपल्याला at theta is equals to pi by 2 त्याने सांगितले. Therefore the slope of the tangent at theta is equals to pi by 2 is minus tan of pi by 4. Okay, theta by 2 इथे and theta ची व्हॅल्यू किती येतं pi by 2 आहे. Therefore you will get here minus tan of pi by 4, that is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is the slope of the tangent. नॉर्मलचा कसा असणार आहे तर याचा मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल. Therefore the slope of the normal is 1. Okay, काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला the equation of the normal. Therefore if theta is equals to pi by 2, then the values of x and y. x is equals to a times theta इथे pi by 2 टाकला plus sin of pi by 2 sin 90 is 1. Okay, and therefore you will get here x is equals to a times in bracket pi by 2 plus 1. And what about the y? Y is equals to a in bracket 1 plus cos of theta, cos 90 is 0, and therefore you will get here y is equals to a. म्हणजे हे दोन पॉइंट्स मिळाले आपल्याला आणि हा नॉर्मलचा स्लोप आहे. therefore the equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equals to m times, म्हणजे हा स्लोप आहे नॉर्मलचा, in bracket x minus x1, x1 ची व्हॅल्यू इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार अँड देन सिम्प्लिफाय y मायनस ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इंटू एक्स. पुढे a पाय अपॉन 2 minus a, normal plus a minus a on both sides get cancelled, and you will get here x minus y is equals to a pi upon 2, multiply on both sides by 2, and then therefore you will get here 2 in bracket x minus y is equals to pi a. This is the equation of the normal. या ठिकाणी कुठला ऑप्शन करेक्ट येतो? The option B is a correct one. Okay. Now the next question. The equation of the normal to the curve y is equals to sin theta at pi 0 is. Okay. पुन्हा आपल्याला त्याने इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉर्मल विचारले. y is equals to sin theta. Therefore dy by dx is equals to cos theta. Slope of the tangent at the point x is pi and y is 0. dy by dx is equals to at pi 0 is cos of pi. x ची व्हॅल्यू किती येतं? पाय. cos of pi is -1. This is the slope of the tangent. मग नॉर्मलचा स्लोप किती असणार? तर याचा मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल. मग मायनस मायनस प्लस होणार. 1चा रेसिप्रोकल 1 येणार. Therefore the slope of the normal is 1. Equation of the normal is again y minus y1 is equals to m means what? Slope of the normal in bracket x minus x1. आता पॉइंट काय दिला तर आपल्याला पाय आणि 0 दिलेला आहे. y minus 0, इट्स अ स्लोप 1 in bracket x minus पाय. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार आपण तिथे. x minus y is equals to pi and hence ऑप्शन सी हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. If the curve y is equals to ax square minus 6x plus b passes through 0, 2 and it's a tangent at x is equals to 3 by 2 is parallel to x-axis, then the values of a and b are. Okay. आता आपल्याला हा कर्व दिला त्याने या ठिकाणी and it passes through, that curve passes through the point 0, 2 and its a tangent is at x is equals to 3 by 2 and is a parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now see this here. Since y is equals to ax square minus 6x plus b, it passes through the point 0, 2. Therefore it satisfies the equation. म्हणून आपण इथे x is replaced by 0 and y is replaced by 2 and hence you will get here b is equals to 2. Okay, simplify केल्यानंतर इथे किती मिळेल तुम्हाला? That is a 2. Next is 0, 0 plus b. Therefore b is equals to 2. What about the dy by dx? dy by dx is equals to ddx of ax square minus 6x plus b. Derivative of ax square is a 2ax. Derivative of minus 6x is a minus 6. Slope of the tangent at x is equals to 3 by 2 is, that is a dy by dx at x is equals to 3 by 2. That is a 2 into a. Okay. That is x is replaced by 3 by 2. 2 into a into 3 by 2 minus 6. Simplification करना. 3a minus 6. Since this tangent is a parallel to x-axis, therefore its a slope is 0. The x-axis ला कशी येतं? tangent parallel आहे. Therefore the slope is 0 because the slope of the x-axis is 0. Its a slope is 0. Therefore 3a minus 6 is equals to 0 and hence you will get here a is equals to 2. But we have here a is equals to b is equals to 2 and a is equals to also 2 and hence a is equals to b is equals to 2 and hence option a हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next, the equation of the tangent to the curve y x is equals to root t, y is equals to t minus 1 upon root t at t is equals to 4 is. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी सिंपल आपण इथे ट्रिक वापरणार आहोत. when t is equals to 4, then what you will get here? x is equals to root of 4 म्हणजे x is equals to 2 and y is equals to किती येणार इथे? 4 minus 1 upon root of 4 means what? 1 upon 2. 4 minus 1 upon 2 means you will get here y is equals to 7 by 2. Okay. Therefore the point is 2 comma 7 by 2 satisfies only option b. b हे ऑप्शन फक्त तो हा पॉइंट सॅटिस्फाय करतो and hence option b is a correct one. Therefore the equation of the tangent to the curve at x is equals to root t, y is equals to t minus 1 by root t at t is equals to 4 is 17x minus 4y is equals to 20. इथे आपल्याला सर्व सॉल्व करण्याची गरज आहे का? नाही. आपण इथे ट्रिक वापरली. हा पॉइंट कोणत्या इक्वेशन वरती आहे त्यावरून आपण तो डिसाइड करतो. सो देअरफॉर दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टंट ट्रिक. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. If the tangent to the curve x is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280 is perpendicular to x-axis, then it's a point of contact is, okay, x is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280 हे पॅराबोलाचे पॅरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन आहे. dx upon dt is equals to 280, dy by dt is equals to 2a. Therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt is equals to 2a upon 280. 2a to a get cancelled, you will get 1 upon t. Slope of the tangent, that is equals to dy by dx is equals to 1 upon t. Is the, if the, we have given that, म्हणजे आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे ते, if the tangent to the curve at x is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280 is a perpendicular to x-axis. म्हणजे ते x-axis ला कसं आहे तर ते perpendicular आहे. Therefore its slope is not defined. Okay. Since the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, okay, the slope of the tangent does not exist and therefore 1 upon t does not exist. पण हे केव्हा शक्य आहे? When t is equals to 0. Therefore if t is equals to 0, then what are the values of x? X is equals to 0 and y is equals to also 0, and hence the point of contact is a 0 0, and hence option A हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next example. The equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to x upon x square plus 1 at the origin is y is equals to x upon x square plus 1. dy by dx is equals to ddx of x upon x square plus 1. इथे क्वेश्चन टूल अप्लाय करणार आपण. ओके. And therefore you will get here x square plus 1, derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of x square plus 1, which is a 2x plus 0 upon x square plus 1 bracket square. Simplification करणार थे. Okay, x square plus 1 minus 2x square. Then you will get here 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 bracket square. Slope of the tangent dy by dx at origin सांगितलं त्याने आपल्याला. Therefore at 0 0 is a 1 minus 0 upon 0 plus 1 bracket square is equals to 1. And therefore equation of the tangent at the origin, that is a 0 0, is y minus 0 is equals to the slope of the tangent, which is 1 in bracket x minus 0, and hence the equation of the tangent is a x minus y is equals to 0, and hence option A हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Now the next example. The inclination of tangent to the curve 2x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equals to 3 at the point 1 1 is, means you have to find out only the gradient. आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, म्हणजे थीटा फाइंड आउट करणार आपण या ठिकाणी. ओके. नाउ हियर solution 2x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equals to 3. Differentiating this with respect to x, we get implicit type function है. तो the derivative of 2x raised to 4 is a 8x cube. Derivative of y raised to 4 is a 4y cube into dy by dx. 3 is a derivative 0. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus 8x cube upon 4y cube. Therefore you will get here minus 2x cube upon y cube. If the theta is the inclination of the tangent, then the slope of the tangent, that is a tan theta, is equals to dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Substitute x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. Therefore tan theta is equals to minus 2, 1 cube upon 1 cube. Therefore tan of theta is equals to minus 2, and hence theta is equals to tan inverse of minus 2, and that is nothing but the minus tan inverse of 2. Okay, and hence option D हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next example. If the normal to the curve y is equals to f of x is parallel to x-axis, then, okay, now the solution. Slope of the normal is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx, and that is nothing but minus dx upon dy. Since the normal is parallel to x-axis, normally x-axis la parallel hai, it means that its a slope is 0. Therefore, the slope of the normal is equals to 0 and hence the value of dx upon dy is equals to 0 and hence option C is a correct here. Next example. The slope of the tangent to the curve x is equals to 1 upon t, y is equals to t minus 1 upon t at t is equals to 2 is. Okay. Here x is equals to 1 upon t, y is equals to t minus 1 upon t. Therefore, dx upon dt is equals to minus 1 upon t square, dy by dt is equals to 1 plus 1 upon t square. Simplify करायचा t square plus 1 upon t square. dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. Simplify करणार ते. That is a t square plus 1 upon t square. This whole divided by minus 1 upon t square. And then you will get here minus t square plus 1. Okay. Therefore, the slope of the tangent at t is equals to 2 is. T ची value 2 टाकणार. That is a 2 square is a 4 plus 1. That is equals to 5. And hence that is equals to पुढे मायनस साइन असल्यामुळे ओव्हरऑल द स्लोप ऑफ द टँजंट इज -5 अँड हेन्स ऑप्शन बी हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. The gradient of the curve y is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 4 at the point x is equals to 2 is gradient म्हणजे आपल्याला स्लोप फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. y is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 4. Differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of x cube is a 3x square. Derivative of minus 2x square is a 4x. Derivative of 4 is 0. The gradient dy by dx at x is equals to 2 is 3 into 2 square. 2 square is a 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 4 into 2, 8. Therefore, 12 minus 8 and that is equals to 4. And hence the option A is a correct one. Okay. And in this way, we have completed the first 10 example. Now, we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.